Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to make an American snack, corn dog from scratch. It's savory and it's easy to make at home. I hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients you will require. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of fine yellow corn flour or cornmeal, 1¼ cups of plain flour, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, finely chopped, ½ teaspoon of palm sugar, or you can use any sweetener of your choice. Mix everything until well combined. In a separate bowl, we are going to mix 1 egg, 250 ml of milk, and a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any unflavored cooking oil. Whisk well. Now let's add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Mix until it forms a thick batter consistency. This should be the consistency, nice and thick. Put the batter in a long slim glass so it will be easy for you to dip the hot dog. Boil the hot dogs for 3 minutes, drain out the water, pat dry really well with paper towels. Soak the squares in water before using. Batter will stick much better if you pat them dry. Now we are going to insert a skewer or a stick into each of the hot dogs and set it aside. To the breadcrumbs, add a tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves or some mixed herbs of your choice. Mix well. Dip the corn dog into the batter. Give it a little twirl. Make sure to fully submerge and cover with batter. Coat well with breadcrumbs. Fry the corn dogs as soon as they are dipped. Heat up some oil on high flame. Once the oil is hot enough, bring back the flame to medium. Carefully add the corn dogs to it. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry 2 to 3 at a time. This will take around 3 minutes to fry. Fry until golden brown. Corn dogs are ready. Take them off the pan and put it on a paper towel. Let's fry the rest of the batch. Do try this crispy corn dogs. It's really delightful. Share your feedbacks in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.